Chef Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant in the Iroquois Hotel, 49 West 44th Street, between 5th and 6th Avenue. Today, we're gonna go ahead and make an herb-crusted salmon salad. Oh my God, it sounds so yummy. Just saying it sounds delicious. Really, really simple ingredients, really fresh ingredients. Gonna be great for your summertime barbecue, hot day, nice fresh piece of salmon, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, some baby greens, and a nice fresh piece of salmon. Doesn't really get any better than that. We have our salmon. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna go ahead and season both sides, which is very important. Salt and a little bit of pepper. We're using kosher salt. If you don't have kosher salt, that's fine. And we're gonna use fresh herbs. When I say fresh herbs, what we're using is parsley, chives, and tarragon. If you don't wanna use parsley, chives, and tarragon, you can use just parsley, you can use just chives. It's really kind of completely up to you and your family's preference, okay? So we have a hot pan. Once it starts to smoke, I'm gonna turn it down just a smidgen. We're gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. If you don't want to use extra virgin olive oil, you can use canola oil, you can use soybean oil, you can use blended oil, you can use any kind of oil you want. So, hot pan. Now we got our salmon. We're going to go right in there. Nice. So, what we're going to do now is we've had a really hot pan, but we're going to turn it down a little bit at this point, and we're going to let it continually cook. We're turning it down so it doesn't burn, and just kind of get a nice golden brown crispy skin on that salmon, okay? So we've been cooking this salmon now for about 2 minutes on this one side. We're gonna go ahead and flip it, and if you can see, it's nice and golden brown. Those herbs are all created a nice crust. That is beautiful. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and cook it for another 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, depending on your family's preference. I like my salmon rare to medium rare, so we're gonna go ahead and cook it another 2.5 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on top of our nice baby greens. Okay, so our final step to this herb-crusted salmon is our lettuce. And what we're using is baby green mix, which is some red leaf, there's some oak lettuce, there's some baby romaine. If you don't have that, you can use iceberg, you can use frisee, you can use spinach, whatever you'd like. But I take the lettuce and I add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper because my lettuce doesn't come seasoned. I don't know if yours does, but mine definitely does not. So I add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. All right, we toss that a little bit. So it's nothing worse than getting a salad that really doesn't have any dressing. It's very bland. If you don't want to use olive oil and lemon juice, you can use balsamic, you can use a ranch dressing, whatever really your family is kind of enjoys, you can go ahead and use, okay? We're gonna put that down on the plate. Really simple, really easy. And it looks so nice. And then we're gonna put our herb-crusted salmon right on top. Look at that, so beautiful, so easy. All right, gotta be careful. Woo. All right, and then I'm gonna put a piece of lemon on there on the plate, a little bit more extra virgin olive oil drizzle, and a little bit of this lemon squeeze, just like that, and a little bit of the fresh herbs on top. And there you have it, herb-crusted salmon with lemon and extra virgin olive oil over baby greens. Thank you very much for joining me today in my kitchen. Jason Tillman, Executive Chef, Triumph Restaurant here in the Iroquois Hotel. We'll see you soon.